Good evening, viewers. This is Dudarshan Meghalaya, and we welcome you to today's news bulletin. Before going to the details, let us have a glimpse of the headlines. State government inks MOU with Airport Authority of India on operation and maintenance of Baljek Airport. Meghalaya scurries to fence Indo-Bangla border following the prevailing situation in the country. Meghalaya All-Party Committee on Railways to discuss the possibilities of introduction of freight trains. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma inspects ongoing construction of Tura Medical College, expresses satisfaction with the pace of work. The news in detail. A memorandum of understanding was signed between the state government and Airport Authority of India on operation, maintenance, navigation and surveillance of Baljek Airport, Jengjal, West Garo Hills at Baljek Airport. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma highlighted the importance of this development assets once inaugurated, informing that due to space constraints, only 19-seater plane will operate. He said that the main aim is logistics transportation, so the goods are transported in large scale to different places.
Let us do the expansion of whatever is required to be done so that for the next 30 years we don't have to worry about the runway and about flights to land, because at one point in time, maybe it may take us years, maybe decades, but at one point in time, large commercial flights will be viable in Baljek Airport also. And what is important for us to note is that this should become not just a hub for passengers to be transported. My vision is to make this into a logistics hub.
The state government has directed the Deputy Commissioner of Jante Hills region to ensure that the land acquisition process for Indo-Bangla border fencing is expedited at the earliest and must be taken up on top priority basis. Deputy Chief Minister Prestone Tinsong, after meeting with BSF said that the fencing of the border has become important considering the situation in the country. Around 30 kilometers of fencing in Jante Hills is yet to be fenced, and the government has also written a letter to the Ministry of Home Affairs to consider some locations which would go to Bangladesh if the fencing is done within 150 meters of the zero line, and the Ministry of Home Affairs has agreed for the same.
International agreement made between countries to another countries that the international boundary should be 150 yards each side. So when you want to have a fencing, like for India, we want to have a fencing, so therefore we should not cross that 150 yards. It should be within that 150. You cannot go beyond that.
Soon after, Union Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw made it clear that the Union government will not give up on the idea of connecting Khasi Hills with railways. Deputy Chief Minister Prestone Tinsong said he also personally feels that the railway should be there. He, however, made it clear that the decision would be taken only after holding consultations with stakeholders, for which an all-party committee has been constituted. He also said the idea of goods trains would also be discussed in the meeting.
From our side, I personally feel we need railway. But when I say we need railway, we need also to carry everybody on board. We cannot just say because I need it should happen. Therefore, on the basis of these issues where we still have, so we discussed and we decided from the government side that the all-party meeting has to be there, and also meeting with all the concerned stakeholders will be called by the Chief Minister.
Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma today inspected the ongoing construction of Tura Medical College and expressed satisfaction with the pace of work. He informed that efforts are being made to complete the construction and operationalize the medical college by the next academic session. He informed that the government is actively reviewing the pace of construction to ensure that targets are met in a timely manner. The Chief Minister also informed that the government is exploring partnerships for the management and operation of the medical college, while stating that the ownership of the college will remain with the government.
Demonstration.
December from them, they have given December. We have
Each of one
प्राइवेट सेक्टर को पार्टनरशिप कर बागिन या मेडिकल कॉलेज नी मैनेजमेंट और मैन पावर को निरोकना अंदर मेजॉरिटी सीट्स राउंड स्टेट गवर्नमेंट बक्सन आइगेन उन्हीं को सबको या ओनरशिप बिल्डिंग नी प्लस या आनी और अपनी ओनरशिप गवर्नमेंट बक्सन आइगेन.
In a significant step towards modernizing India's electoral system, the Election Commission of India is preparing to launch ECI-Net, a unified digital platform designed to revolutionize how voters and other stakeholders engage with the electoral process. Addressing the media, Meghalaya's Chief Electoral Officer Dr. BDR Tiwari announced that ECI-Net will consolidate more than 40 existing mobile and web applications into a single streamlined interface. This platform will serve voters, election officials, political parties and civil society groups through a more intuitive and accessible system. Dr. Tiwari emphasized that ECI-Net aims to simplify and enhance the user experience across the board.
consultative exercise involving 36 CEOs of all state UTs, 767 district election officers and 4,123 electoral registration officers of their state UTs, and after receiving 76 publications comprising 900 pages of electoral framework, instructions and handbook issued by ECI from time to time.
The Northeast Institute of Professional Studies, led by CEO M. Thongni and supported by Skills Meghalaya, today celebrated the successful completion of training for 8 trainees. The event was marked by a special ceremony in which trainees were felicitated and presented with their placement letters, signaling their entry into professional roles across various states. In addition to the placement ceremony, the Institute conducted a crucial financial literacy program aimed at empowering trainees with knowledge about various schemes and loans available to help them start their own businesses. Trainees also shared their personal experiences, expressing deep gratitude for the training and opportunities provided by NEIPS. The Pabuni Festival, regarded as the national festival of the coach community, was celebrated with great pomp and gaiety today at Gandhipara in southwest Garo Hills. The event was organized by the Meghalaya Coach Association in collaboration with the Meghalaya Coach Students Union. President of the Meghalaya Coach Association, Jibananda Coach, presided over the celebrations, which witnessed enthusiastic participation from coach people across Meghalaya and adjoining areas of Assam. Rangsakona MLA Subir Marak announced Rs 3 lakh for the development of the Pabuni compound. In a move aimed at enhancing sports infrastructure in West Khasi Hills District, the President of the HSPDP Youth Wing Central Body, Korbalangs Emle, requested Sports Minister Shakliar Wajri for upgradation of sports facilities in the district. Addressing the media after the meetings, Emle expressed his gratitude to the Minister for his positive response and assurance to consider all the demands put forth.
Menyampaikan pom nawarai proposal namadan maka jongi nagapanta bani kada negosiasi sales lapan pau wanakali kan jongi itu yang baik lang ako ay penetray Lada kadang nanti kita nak nanti juga baik-baik menuju nanti kadang nak kan juga bas kesil sebab awal. Pakai ke bas mentana ada sesuatu mentah kasih hadir mengenai ekran nak mentah kalawai juga nanti bas kesil sejauh ini nak lihat juga minister di 8 pam apa yang 2028 Meghalaya Games ilarang para keloi ban berkrek nak mentah ke Eastern West atau bas kesil sebenarnya terangkat Meghalaya mereka jeman juga nanti Meghalaya Games.
Mahularshonong SC has emerged as the champion of the Super Division NDSA Premier League Football Tournament 2024-25. Mahularshonong SC clinched the title after defeating Pendeng Rai SC 4-2 through a tiebreaker in the final match of the tournament. The match, played on 5th May 2025 at New Nongstoin Ground, West Khasi Hills, ended in a draw after 90 minutes plus extra time, leading to the penalty shootout. Nongstoin MLA Gabriel Watlang handed over the trophies. This is an important announcement. This is to inform to the general public that the mock exercise on air raid precaution measures will be conducted tomorrow, that is 7th May 2025 from 4 p.m. onwards. The air raid siren will be sounded at 6:30 p.m. and there will be a blackout exercise, power shutdown, only for 2 minutes immediately after the siren is sounded. The general public is requested not to panic as this is being done as part of a mock exercise for air raid. And now for the weather report. First, let's take a look at the weather report in Tura. Minimum temperature 23 degrees Celsius and maximum temperature 30 degrees Celsius was recorded. The relative humidity is 71%. Moving on to Shillong, 15 degrees Celsius of minimum temperature and 22 degrees Celsius of maximum temperature were recorded today. The relative humidity is 86%. Meanwhile, in Jowai, minimum temperature of 18 degrees Celsius and maximum temperature of 21 degrees Celsius were recorded. The relative humidity is 78%. And the forecast in Tura, Jowai and Shillong say that light to moderate rain is likely at few places. Before winding up this news bulletin, here's a short recap. State government inks MOU with Airport Authority of India on operation and maintenance of Baljek Airport. Meghalaya scurries to fence Indo-Bangla border following the prevailing situation in the country. Railways to discuss the possibilities of introduction of freight trains. And Chief Minister of Meghalaya Conrad K. Sangma inspects ongoing construction of Tura Medical College, expresses satisfaction with the pace of work. And dear viewers, with that we have come to the end of this news bulletin. Until we meet again tomorrow, thank you for watching. Good night.